What's up, Chug fans? This is your buddy Pelin and Hawthorne with the Rockstar Pure Zero Calorie Silver Ice Zero Sugar Super Speed Chug. One of the best tasting energy drinks out there. It tastes orange. It's a really good flavor, like an orange tang type flavor. Good to the last drop. Shout out to Prince Cameron, Grady Kid Austin, Jen, and the Kin. Thank you all for watching. Please check out my other chugs. Please refresh the video. Click on any ads, commercials embedded in my videos. Helps me pay for these. Have a great day.